Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy macarons using an easy method. Traditional macarons are known for their sweetness, often containing a lot of refined sugar and artificial colors. We will explore smart ingredient swaps to make these delicate treats a healthier option. This approach simplifies the process, making it accessible even for beginners. Get ready to enjoy guilt-free, delicious macarons with natural goodness. For our healthy macarons, almond flour is a fantastic choice, offering a gluten-free and protein-rich base. Instead of granulated sugar, we can opt for natural sweeteners such as erythritol or a touch of maple syrup, significantly reducing the sugar content. To achieve beautiful colors, ditch artificial dyes and use natural powders from fruits like raspberries or vegetables like spinach. Egg whites remain crucial for that perfect airy texture. The easy method begins with sifting your almond flour and natural sweetener together, ensuring a smooth mixture. Next, whip your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This is vital for the macaron structure. Carefully fold the dry ingredients into the meringue, achieving the perfect macaronage consistency. Then, pipe your batter into consistent circles on a baking sheet and allow them to rest for about 30 minutes. Bake your macarons in a preheated oven at a gentle 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. They are ready when the shells are firm and lift easily from the baking mat. For healthy fillings, consider homemade fruit purees, sugar-free jams, or even a light nut butter. These options add flavor without excessive sugar. Store your delightful, healthy macarons in an airtight container for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.